A federal court judge has found One Nation leader Pauline Hanson breached the Racial Discrimination Act through a tweet directed at fellow Senator Mehreen Faruqi. Senator Hanson has been ordered to pay costs and delete the post, which was a reply to Senator Faruqi on the day Queen Elizabeth II died in 2022. Court reporter Jamie McKinnell joins me now live from Sydney. Jamie, can you tell us about the online exchange at the centre of this case?
Good morning, Gemma. Well, back in 2022, on the day of the Queen's death, Senator Mehreen Faruqi, the Deputy Greens leader, posted on Twitter, now X, saying that she couldn't mourn someone she described as the leader of a racist empire. That left Senator Pauline Hanson pretty angry, and in reply to that, she said that was appalling to her. She also went on to say that Senator Faruqi had come to Australia and enjoyed things like buying multiple properties and taking a job in Parliament. And then she went on in that tweet to say, quote, "It's clear you're not happy, so pack your bags and piss off back to Pakistan." Now, that last part was what was at the centre of this racial discrimination case. Senator Faruqi took Pauline Hanson to the federal court, claiming it was a breach of the Racial Discrimination Act. But Senator Hanson's lawyers had tried to argue that the comment fell within a legal exemption of that legislation, which allows for fair comment on a matter of public interest if the thing that's being said is a genuinely held belief by the person. Now, today, Justice Angus Stewart has rejected that argument. He said this was an angry personal attack by Senator Hanson, and he said that it was not a tweet made in good faith and didn't fall within that legal exemption. The judge also said that the tweet conveyed a racist and anti-immigrant message. In terms of the mechanics of how this case has played out, though, he's found that Muslims are not necessarily a protected group under the Racial Discrimination Act in Australia within the meaning of race, colour or nationality or ethnic origin. The reason why Senator Faruqi has won this case, according to the judge, is because Senator Faruqi's identity as a person of colour, an immigrant and a Muslim are inherently tied together, or in the judge's words, they are inseparable. And so that was the reason why this tweet has been found to have fallen foul of the racial discrimination laws.
OK, and what reaction have we seen so far to this decision?
Well, we didn't see Pauline Hanson here today, but Senator Faruqi was here to see this decision read out in the federal court. Outside court, she has spoken to the media and she said this represents vindication for anyone who has been told things along the lines of go back to where you came from. She said that this basically means that hate speech is not free speech.
Today's ruling tells us that telling someone to go back to where they came from is a strong form of racism. And it is also an affirmation for migrants that people of colour do not have to be grateful or to keep quiet. And I will be speaking out more loudly and more strongly than ever before.
Now, as part of this decision, Justice Stewart has ordered Pauline Hanson to delete this tweet and also pay Senator Faruqi's costs, which are understood to have been in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Senator Faruqi was also asked today whether Pauline Hanson should apologise, and she simply said that she, according to Senator Faruqi, has lots of things to apologise for, but Senator Faruqi told us that she is not expecting anything from Pauline Hanson.